Hey, it's me, Gareth, along with Janet and Jules, and we are in Ensenada, Mexico. We just got off the Carnival Frenzy, and we're gonna walk along the Malecon after we get out of the port here, and go up by the museum, and maybe to the historical Husong's Cantina. And then back. How fun, huh? Well, there's the ship off in the distance. And this is the bridge over the estuary. And we're going to walk along the Malecon here. This is like the beginning. Not sure if the bridge counts. I'm off the bridge now. And you don't have to follow the red paved line. You just walk straight. Unless you want to follow the red paved line. Puerto de Ensenada. And boy, people taking pictures. This is a big wide area of the Malecon. And sometimes they have little kiosks set up here with people selling stuff. They look all closed up today. More Ensenada letters, in case you didn't get them last time. Yeah, these are fountains. Sometimes. Light show. Bandstand. Up there's downtown. We're gonna go to the fish market. Still on the Malecon, officially. But, you know, you can buy things here. There's cafes and restaurants and souvenirs and little shops and umbrellas. Fish market, black market, Mercado Negro is right up there. Look at that yellow boat. Alright, so we've reached the rusty wooden pier where they bring the boats up onto land. And these pillars of Hercules mark Mercado Negro, black market. Now if you go on down straight and veer off to the right, you'll be out on the main road. I think we're going to go in here and then come back out. So Mercado Negro, and there's souvenir shops in here. So on the left there is a bunch of restaurants, and I mean a bunch. Each little window is a different restaurant, right? And then on the right are the fish in the market. Oh, and the clams and the oysters. And they offered some flounder. Hey, smoke. Hey, top of the fish. Oh.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing? I mean, ¿cómo está? All right, well, I'll go down here. So we've eaten in there a couple times. I don't remember which one. Like I said, there's a lot of them. Be careful because you may be eating that. Pescado frito. So we're going to walk back out to the Malecon.
$3 beers.
Okay, thank you. So that was Mercado Negro.
Hey, you want to pick up one of these?
We're going to continue on. There's the end of the Malecon. And there's one of the famous Ensenada hearts.
¿Quieren pasear el bar conmigo? No, gracias.
Off 3, that's not far. Alright, so here's the fishing statue. I think his rope broke. And his line broke. But anyway, it's a monument to the fishermen that live here. And I guess divers. I didn't realize you could walk right down there. I don't think this gate's supposed to be open. Huh, well, I guess maybe it is. Oh, look. Hey, hugging a tuna. We came from down there. Of course, the ship is on the other side of this boat. You see it there? And the Malecon then veers away from the ocean. So I don't know if it's still a Malecon. And then it ends right there where the cars are going by. And you hit the big city. So there was the gates to the Malecon. That's another Ensenada sign there. And we're out on the busy road, And where we want to go is right up that street. So we're going to go down here to the signal and cross, and then walk back. So we came around that bend, we went to this signal so we could cross because it's a crosswalk. There's also a 7-Eleven there. One block up is Lopez Mateo Avenue, and that's the main shopping district. Street, whatever you want to call it. But the museum is up here on the right. And this is the museum. And we're not sure if it's open actually. Museo Histórico Regional.
He says you can get back
de
more.
Ensenada. Yeah, I don't need that. So, free entrance. Free.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Free? Guys?
You just need to sign me with the citizen.
She'll do it for me.
It's the 24th.
So it's pretty dark in here. In fact, it's too dark for the cameras. So I discovered that the lights are automatic when they come on. Buffalo and bison. When you step into a room. Let's see. When you step into a room. There we go. Need more light. There. Oh, Balsa de Sequoia. big old anchor. And we go across and more museum. Oh, it's a theater. Or something. Jail? Somebody got shorted.